Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your general love reading for the month of July 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. I have already uploaded your main reading. You can have a look on that too. Okay. So, I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. Let's start your reading. In your main reading, I told you there is someone who is making a decision here, Aquarius, to approach you. Two of Wands. This was the energy here, okay? Two of Wands. Right now, either you are holding back or this person is holding back from you, okay? So, but they are making a decision. They are, they're making a decision here, Aquarius, and you're waiting for this person to come towards you. The Three of Wands is here, so you are waiting for this person, and their energy is Two of Wands. They are making a decision towards you, okay? They're coming towards you at a very slow pace with the Knight of Pentacle here. So you think that this person is not coming towards you, but this person is coming, okay? Right now you are in the energy of Queen of Cups. You love someone, okay, Aquarius, and you're waiting for this person to come towards you. Right now you have to keep temperance, okay? Temperance is required here, and this person is keeping an eye on you, okay, through social media apps, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Here, Page of Swords is here. So this person is keeping an eye on you, okay? So they're keeping an eye on you, that what my Aquarius are doing. This is someone from your past who left you out in cold. The Five of Pentacle is here, okay? So this is someone from your past. This is not a new energy. This is someone from your past. This is someone who is your soulmate, your divine counterpart, your twin flame, okay, with whom you are destined to be together, okay? They see you as an empress here, Aquarius, okay? They see you as an empress, and you're going to come towards the calmer waters. They're going to take a leap of faith, and they will move in a forward direction with the Fool energy, okay? So you will come towards a calmer water here. Right now this person is doing the soul searching. The Hermit mode is on, and they will get the clarity here, because this person is not having clarity here with the Moon, okay? See, this person is not having clarity, and they will have the clarity. Right now this person is in energy of Five of Cups. This person is very sad, remorseful, guilt. They're not happy without you, but this person will get the clarity, okay? Ace of Swords. This person will get the clarity, because the Tower is going on here in your life, okay? Things are going to change, Aquarius. This is the divine intervention, okay? But this is someone who is your love, who is your lovers, okay? The Two of Cups is here. This person is going through with a, this person is going through a lot of, they're releasing the burdens which they're carrying on their shoulders. They're going with the, heartbreaks, with the Ten of Swords, okay? This is someone who is financially stable, grounded, maybe an earth energy, but energy can be anyone, okay? Any sign can be possible, but they want to create Ten of Pentacles with you. This is beautiful, because they want to create abundance of everything with you. So now let me see. And they want to offer you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions, okay? Emotional fulfillment. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor here. So now let's start your clarification, and let's see what are the extended clarification of these cards. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to clarify these cards, these energies. So now let me clarify first why there is King of Pentacle here. Clarify me King of Pentacle. Clarify King of Pentacle. Four of Swords. Judgment. And the Ten of Cups. I told you this person wants to create 0444 is the recording reading time. This person wants to create family with you. They want to get married, have kids, create abundance with you. 10 of cups, 10 of pentacles. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 10 10. That can be a possibility here. Okay, so that's the judgment which is this person is going on. This person is taking this person is going through with rest and rejuvenating their self with the 4 of swords, and they're going to make a judgment that I want to create 10 of cups with Aquarius. They are making a judgment. See, wow, because that's why they are going through with some kind of heartbreaks with the third party situation with the 3 of swords. Okay, right now you have to keep temperance, and this person is also keeping temperance. Okay, they're keeping the patience here because they are doing their healing, they're resting, they're rejuvenating themselves because of the confusion. King of Pentacle here, can you see? This person was exploring other options other than you. They were keeping their options open. They were having the confusion, but do not worry at all. They're going to make a judgment because they're going to get the clarity here. Okay, so now let's see more. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. 1 minute. They cannot sleep at night. Okay, they're spending the sleepless nights here with the 9 of Swords. Okay, clarify me, Queen of Cups. Why there is Queen of Cups here? No. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Okay, the good luck, the good karma is here. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Maybe right now you are feeling like an hangman. Okay, but do not worry at all because the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor here. Clarify me, Temperance. Why there is Temperance here? King of Pentacle. They are keeping temperance. They have to keep the temperance, or you have to keep the temperance, Aquarius, because this person is going through with some kind of cycle completion. Okay, see, King of Wands, Moon, and the 10 of Wands. So they're completing a cycle definitely here with the Moon and the 10 of Wands, and the 10 of Swords is also here. So they're completing a cycle of confusion. Okay, they were in a cycle of confusion, and now that's why this person is keeping temperance, and you also have to keep your temperance here. Okay, why the Tower is happening? Please clarify me, Tower. Why the Tower is happening? Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having Page of Swords here. So this person is definitely keeping an eye on you, Aquarius. They're gaining the information about you. Okay, that's the message I'm receiving here. Tower is happening because you both want to move in a forward direction. There is a communication definitely which is coming for you. I told you in my main reading too that there is a lot of communication which is coming, and you both will move in a forward direction. Okay, 8 of Wands. That's why. Clarify me, 10 of Swords, sorry. 5 of Wands. There is a lot of fighting, drama, conflicts, competition around this person, which this person is going through right now. That's why they are closing out a cycle with the 10 of Swords. There's a lot of fighting, drama, conflicts. Okay, clarify me, 2 of Cups. Clarify why there is 2 of Cups here. 2 of Cups. Why there is 2 of Cups here? Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and 2 of Swords. See, this is your divine counterpart. Can you see here? King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles both are here. So maybe this person was unable to make a decision. 2 of Swords is here. But now they will make it. They see where someone who is very, very financially independent, who is very passionate, very attractive. They see you as someone here. Maybe this person was unable to make a decision here. Right now they cannot sleep here, because maybe this is someone who is Knight of Wands, who is an in and out energy, player kind of energy. They cannot sit at one place, but now they're hoping for new hopes, new desires, the star. They're hoping for Aquarius. Okay, clarify me, Knight of Pentacles. Why are they coming at a very slow pace? Why they are coming at a very slow pace? Because of the third party situation. Okay, either it's in your, see, this wants to come out and I can feel the energy. I'm not going to take these cards, but I'm going to show you. Okay, they are now coming at a very high pace after the tower. Okay, the tower, when the tower will come up, then the things will speed up. Because of the third party situation, this person is coming in at a very slow pace. Either there is a third party in this person's life, or there is a third party in your life, Aquarius. But this is your love, the lovers, the Emperor. Okay, the Emperor and the Empress. This is your divine counterpart. This is your soulmate. Okay, so this person will come towards you at a very high pace after the tower. Okay, but they are coming at a very slow pace because of the third party situation here. Okay, that's why. Okay, why there is Four of Cups here? Please clarify. Okay, they are thinking that you are going to reject the offer if they approach you with the Knight of Cups. They have lot of love towards you, Aquarius, but they think if they offer the love towards you, you are not going to accept it. This is someone from the past with the Six of Cups again. They think if they offer you the love, you are going to reject the offer. You will not accept the cup. Okay. Clarify me Ten of Pentacles here. Why there is Ten of Pentacles here? Ten of Pentacle is being clarified by Ten of Pentacle and the Nine of Pentacle. Can you see? Bottom of the deck, I am having Three of Swords. So some heartbreak, this person is going through with some kind of heartbreak, and they see you as someone who is very happy, very independent, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. Can you see? You are very happy, you are very happy, and you are very very happy. Again, I want to say that I do not know why this person is saying this Aquarius is very happy. They're enjoying their singlehood, and I want to create Ten of Pentacles with Aquarius. Okay, so they definitely want to create Ten of Pentacles with you. Okay, clarify me Ace of Cups. Why there is Ace of Cups here? Clarify me Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Sun. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, and this is beautiful. New happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, see, I told you that this person is completing a cycle. This person is closing out a cycle with the World card, because here I was having Ten of Wands and Ten of Swords. Both are here. So this person is closing out a cycle. They are definitely keeping an eye on you, Aquarius, with the Page of Swords. They're gaining the knowledge, that they're gaining the information about you, that what my Aquarius are doing, what is happening in Aquarius life. So they're gaining this information here, and they cannot sleep. I told you Nine of Swords energy was there. They cannot sleep at night, and this was someone who has an in and out energy. 1414 was the recording reading time. In and out energy, player kind of energy. Now they want to give you commitment, a stable committed offer which you can touch. Ace of Pentacle, Ace of Cups. This is beautiful. That's why the Sun is here. Okay, new happy beginnings are coming for you. Can you see? This is beautiful, Aquarius. Clarify me Six of Cups. Why there is Six of Cups here? Clarify me Six of Cups. The Temperance and the Three of Wands. Clarify me Six of Cups. Temperance again, Three of Wands, Ace of Wands, Nine of Wands, Knight of Pentacles and the King of Cups. I told you, this is your divine counterpart. King of Cups and the Queen of Cups, both are here. This is someone from your past and this is King of Cups. This person also loves you. Right now they are in their emotions here, Aquarius. I know this person took a lot of time to come on this conclusion, but this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck. So they're moving in a slow pace, but and you are keeping your temperance here, Aquarius. But they know that you ignite the passion into them. Ace of Wands. All aces are there in your reading, in your today's reading. Okay, so that's beautiful. They took long period of time to come into conclusion that you ignite the passion in them here. And because you were keeping the temperance, the patience, you were waiting for this person, but the guards up with the Nine of Wands, the wounded warrior, basically. Okay, you were saying that no, I'm not going to give up. Okay, clarify me Ace of Swords. Clarify me Ace of Swords. Right now this person is stuck in their own mind thoughts. Eight of Swords. They're thinking a lot, overthinking a lot, but they will use their intuition. High Priestess. And after using their intuitions, they will get to know the clarity. But right now they are thinking and contemplating a lot. Okay, clarify me Page of Swords. The Tower. Tower, Tower, Tower. Okay, the Tower is coming here, Aquarius, because this person is also keeping an eye on you. So that's why the Tower is also coming. The divine is seeing that you both love each other. That's why the communication is coming here. That's why you both are moving in a forward direction. And after this Tower, can you see? This person is in the Hermit mode. The Hermit and the Hermit. And they coming at a very high pace after the Tower. Clarify me Fool. Why there is Fool here? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. They want to give you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotional fulfillment and the Hierophant. So this person wants to get married with you, wants to create family with you. They want to offer their heart, the emotions to you, Aquarius, and they want to take a leap of faith with you. Beautiful. Clarify me Six of Swords here. Why there is Six of Swords? Seven of Swords and the Star. So Aquarius, in the past, maybe this person was someone who was manipulative, who plays mind games. Okay, and because of that you were hoping for new hopes, new desires. You want to come towards the calmer waters, and you are coming here. Can you see here? I'm having King of Wands and Queen of Wands was also there here. Clarify me the Hermit. Clarify me the Hermit. Seven of Wands. Your guards are up. Your self-defensive mode is on. You are not ready to open up, maybe in this person's, in front of this person. You are not ready to open up. Your guards are up. Okay, because this person put you in a third party situation. Three of Swords. This person broke your heart in the past. Okay, now let's see why there is an Empress. Clarify Empress. Clarify Empress. Whatever is happening, it is going to transformation. It is going to transform. Transformation is taking place here, Aquarius. Death and rebirth is taking place. They are coming, they're rushing here. They're rushing towards their Empress, Queen of Swords, Six of Pentacles, Two of Cups. Wow, Six of Swords. Can you see? Two of Cups, Six of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. You already know that what you want. Okay, you want equal amount of give and take. You want Two of Cups energy, and you want to come towards the calmer waters. That's why you are the Empress. That's why you are standing in your power here, and they are coming. And you also know this truth that this person is going to come back. Clarify me, Wheel of Fortune. Clarify me, Wheel of Fortune. Why there is Wheel of Fortune here? Five of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Nine of Cups, and Two of Wands. So you are the wish fulfillment for this person, or this person is your wish fulfillment for you. Okay, that's why they're going to make a decision here. They're going through with a lot of competition, fighting with the Five of Swords, Five of Wands. Okay, juggling between two situations, or two persons or two relationships. Because of that, the person is feeling trapped in their own mind thoughts here. But they will take a leap of faith here, Aquarius, with the Fool. Now let me add the guidance from the divine. This is beautiful reading, Aquarius, I can say that. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, but here what I can see is that you both basically love each other a lot, and because of some third party situation, this person was holding back. But now this person knows that where their heart belongs. Okay, with whom they have to make the Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and this is someone from your past. This is someone who is your divine counterpart. This is a soul connection basically. So now let me add some messages from the divine, from the universe. What is the advice? See, Two of Wands. They're making a decision here, Aquarius. They're making a decision because they cannot sleep. They cannot sleep at night. Wow. What is the advice for this reading for Aquarius, July 2021? Please give me the advice. What is the advice for this reading? What is the advice? What is the advice for this reading? What is the advice? Please give me the advice. Please help me out to deliver the advice. Too many cards. No. Please give me the advice for this reading. What is the advice? Advice for this reading. Okay, so bottom of the deck I'm having the Fool here again. Okay, so they're going to take a leap of faith and they will move in a forward direction here, Aquarius. Okay, they are definitely completing a cycle, which I told you that this person is completing a cycle here with the World card. So they're completing a cycle here, they're closing out a cycle, or you both are closing out a cycle here. Okay, the World card is here. So you both are closing out a cycle, I can say that. Then they want to offer you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions, emotional fulfillment. They know this truth, that where they want to share their heart, Okay, the cup which is full of emotions, emotional fulfillment. Ace of cups, it is they want to share with you. You ignite the passion in them. Ace of wands and ace of cups is here, and they know this truth. King of swords is someone who knows the truth. In the past, maybe this person is someone who try to manipulate with you, who plays mind games with you, who try to cheat with you, deceptive energy, and you also know this truth, but some kind of judgment is taking place in your life, Aquarius, because you are working a lot on this person. Maybe you put lot of efforts, energy, time on this relationship, maybe. Okay, that's the reason which is here. But what I can see is that this person is creating it, this person is manifesting this relationship. Magician, they want to create 10 of pentacles with you, they want to take it. Okay, they want to start a new beginning, a new leap of faith with you. The fool is here, and they see you as someone who is very happy, abundant, who is very passionate. Nine of pentacles, seven of pentacles, and the queen of wands. So they see you as someone who is very passionate, happy, creative, abundant, attractive, working on their passions, working on themselves, loving themselves. Okay, right now they cannot sleep at night with the nine of swords, and they're going to make a decision with the two of wands. Okay, you are waiting for your ships to come, and your ships are coming, Aquarius. Okay, you will come towards the calmer waters. Six of wands, sorry, six of swords and the three of wands. Okay, so you will come towards the calmer waters. So that was your extended love reading. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and beautiful energies to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.